Not all of those mega trends suit all of the competition. Nucor is the largest steel producer in North America. And as we look at, the volumes in the United States, Nucor makes 1 out of every 4 tons produced in the U.S. So as we think about IIJA, we think about the CHIPS Act, we think about infrastructure, Nucor is the most diverse steel maker in the United States, poised and ready to capitalize on that. We're just on the early stages of that on all 3, and we're starting to see those flow through our orders into plants. We think about CHIPS Act, there's 56 semiconductor plants on the books, 18 already under construction for a total value of about $370 billion that'll be invested. Nucor is going to be and participate in all of that. So we're just warming up, and I would tell you at 7.5 times EBITDA, we're one of the most undervalued stocks on Wall Street and an incredible opportunity for our investors.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up because you did say at the conference call that you took a hard look at U.S. Steel, obviously being bought by Nippon Steel. But basically, if I can parse your words a bit, your stock is much cheaper. So why don't you just keep buying your own stock?
And that's exactly what we're going to do, Jim. Our strategy since I took over is to grow the core and expand beyond. So grow our core steelmaking assets and expand into those adjacent steel-centric businesses that operate just outside of the cyclicality of steel. And so you're going to see Nucor buy a lot of our stock back. And at the end of the day, we're not going to overpay for any assets. So as we looked at it, we looked and saw some assets might fit strategically and culturally. But at the end of the day, again, we have a lot of uses for that capital, and not the least of which is giving it back. Over the last 4 years, we've given back $10 billion to our shareholders. And so we're going to continue to reward them for sticking with us, and we're going to continue to grow this company.
All right, so people understand that's 23% of the shares have been bought back since 2018. Now, one of the things that has me very, very excited is that the other part of the money you're using is to build giant, and I should say sustainable mills that are going to produce all sorts of new steel that will meet the demands of, particularly of non-residential construction.
Absolutely. Jim, we just kicked off, and the Brandenburg team in Kentucky is operating now in the largest, most capable plate mill in the United States. We're breaking ground now in West Virginia on one of the most state-of-the-art, what will be one of the most sustainable sheet mills anywhere in the nation. We're building our micro mill in Lexington, North Carolina. We're expanding in Kingman, Arizona. We're building galvanizing capacity. So we're going to continue to create and make opportunities and provide capabilities for our customers so they can continue to grow their companies. And again, ultimately rewarding Nucor shareholders. In the last 3 years, we have made more money in the last 3 years than we have in the last 20 combined. So Nucor is firing on all cylinders. And quite frankly, we're just getting warmed up.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.